Alright guys, so today's video is about the Oraimo Open Circlet, and it comes with the tag no fair, no limit. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of these Oraimo Open Air Bluetooth headphones, and let's see what's inside the box. But before we do that, let me share with you what's around the box. By the side of the box, you are going to see increased sensational awareness, stereo sound, bass boost algorithm, ergonomic and secure fit, and other informations there. And also you can see the Oraimo authentication center by the side. And if you turn it to the back, you are going to see this handsome guy that looks like my brother. And here you are going to see the Open Circlet information and 365 days warranty from Oraimo. It comes in Nobler Blue, and you are going to see that in the box. Here at the left hand side, you are going to see the Avid Bass, which is the proprietary sound tuning technology from Oraimo, and the sold in 60 plus countries. So that is basically what you are going to find around the box, and that is pretty much it. And for the price, it goes for 38,500 naira on Oraimo eShop website, which you can see here. You can actually get it cheaper by using the discount code right on the screen, and it's going to give you 5% discount. So with that, just check it out and get your own today. So quickly, let's open the box and see what is inside. So the first thing we are seeing here is the listen to your own rhythm and keep exploring, all from Oraimo. And here is the product itself. As you can see, it looks nice. It's flat side here, and also okay, very soft to touch. It's very sleek and soft to touch. That is the first impression, and it is flexible too. Underneath it, you are going to see the volume buttons, plus and minus, and here is, I think, the power button. And by this side here, we have where you can open it and charge it up. Okay, so let me quickly put a charger to it and see. Okay, so this is how it's charged. As you can see, there is an indicator here in between the plus button and the power on button. All right, so by this side, you are going to see the serial number of your open air headphones. So that is pretty much it. By the side, you are going to see Oraimo keep exploring, and it's very flexible. As you can see, guys, it's very flexible. I think this has kind of like metal in it, maybe a metal possible, and it's very flexible. But as time goes on, I'm going to share with you what you are going to get from it if you are buying one, and I'll be sharing with you some of the things that you need to know about it. So for now, I'm going to charge it up, and in the next video, I'm going to share with you my full review with this guy. So before I round up this video, let me show you quickly what you are going to find in the box. So the other stuff you are going to find in the box, I think. All right. So you are going to find this booklet. That is the manual. Okay, it comes with some product overview, how to use your earbuds, and some other stuff like that. And also you are going to find a Type-C cord, very thick one, which is good, but it's very short. I wish it is a bit longer for the price. So I think that is pretty much it. So what you are going to find in the box are not much. You are going to find this, and this. So subscribe so that I can get the full review once I am done with testing of this Oraimo Open Air earbuds.